Assalamu alaikum to all my students. Hope you all are doing well and safe at home. I'm your English teacher from Metropolitan Foundation School. As we know that due to corona pandemic we all are facing that situation, so we are going to start our online classes again to continue our studies. Now it's easy to make connection with you all and maintain the flow of study. So let's start our today's video. Basically, today's video is related to conversation of English B for class 2 and 3. Students, it's a learning based video. You have to just watch this video and learn the conversation question answers at your home. It's not your copy work. Remember that thing that it's not your copy work. It's a learning based video. You have to just watch it and learn these question answers at your home. Now let's start. So today we are going to learn the month of December question answers as a conversation for class 2 and 3. Okay, basically conversation are key languages development, the exchange of ideas and thoughts. So conversation should be clear for effective communication. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चंस जो आप अपनी स्लाइड में देख रहे हैं ये कॉन्वर्जेशन के क्वेश्चंस हैं. ठीक है, तो हम इन्हें रीड करेंगे. इट्स अ लर्निंग बेस्ड वीडियो. यू हैव टू जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो and listen these questions and read these questions along with me and learn these at your home. It's not necessary to write it in your copy. You have to just watch it and learn these questions at your home. Okay, now start with me. The first question is, in which season do we feel cold? In which season do we feel cold? Students, the first question is, in which season do we feel cold? वो कौन सा सीज़न है जिसमें हमें ठंड महसूस होती है या हम सर्दी को फील करते हैं. In which season do we feel cold? And the answer